Just got my free birthday beverage from Starbucks. And they even spelled my name right. It's that new Crystal Ball there, that limited time drink. It's pretty good. Tastes peachy. I'm leaving Mom's now. Just went to go pay her an Easter visit. Now I'm going to go home and I'm going to make some T-bone steaks for us for Easter. Unfortunately, Denny has to work. He did originally have the day off, but they're filling in now for somebody who recently just left. So until they hire, they're going to be working a little bit more. Easter was very low-key this year, but that's okay. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in seeing an everyday vlog for me in the month of April, because I'd be happy to do it. I would actually want to do it and love to do it, so just let me know. And I'm hoping that your Easter is going great, and maybe I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Even dessert was low-key this year. Munchkins from Dunkin' Donuts. Oh well. Look how cute these are anyway, though. Cute.